Do you want to personalize your photo album with a different cover image? Samsung Gallery lets you choose any photo in an album as its cover, making it easier to recognize your album at a glance. Let me show you how. First, open the Gallery app. Then open the album you like to customize. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Next, tap Album Setting. Then tap Change Cover Image. Now select the photo you like to use as the album cover. If needed, adjust the selected area by dragging the corner of the selection frame to resize it. Or move the frame to choose a different part of the photo. Once you are happy with the preview, tap Apply. Tap the packet twice. As you can see, your album will now display the new cover image. Keep in mind that this option is not available for virtual albums such as recent and favorite. And that's how you change an album cover in Samsung Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.